Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths with Ajukarte, and today we are going to start with exercise 5.3 part 4. In the previous 3 videos I have done first 15 questions, and today we are going to start with question number 16. These are last 4 questions of our exercise, and these are most often exam coming questions. These are very important. Okay, so let's start. Here, in our 16th question, it is given a sum of 700 rupees is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. There are 7 cash prizes to students for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize. Okay, so let the highest prize be X. Let first prize equal to X. So the next one will be X minus 20. Second will be X minus 20. Then third, X minus 40. See, similarly, this will be going on. And here we get to know that the difference is minus 20. This will be A. Then difference will be A2 minus A1. Means X minus 20 minus X. This will be minus 20. So D is minus 20. And it is given to us that A is X. So X1 means sum will be n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now sum is given 700. 700. There are 7 cash prizes. 2 into A is X. So 2X plus n is 7 minus 1 means 6 into D is minus 20. When we solve this, let's send this that way. 1400 upon 7 equal to 2 plus minus 120. Now 7, this will go by 200. 200 equal to 2x plus minus 120. So this will be minus 120. And when this will go that side, it will become 320 equal to 2x. So x will be 160 because this will get cancelled, and hence we have to find out value of each price. Next price will be x minus 20 means 140. Then next will be 120, then 100, and similarly 80, 40 and 20. There are 6 and 1 7 prizes. These are the total prizes, and you can check when you will add them, the sum will be 700. Now here in our 17th question, in a school, sections of each class plant trees equal to their class number. For example, it is given class 1 plant 1 tree, class 2 plants 2 tree, and then each section plants 1 tree. So here 3 sections per class. There are 3 sections per class. So if class 1 plants 1 tree, then there are 3 sections, means there will be total 3 trees. Okay, so what will be the series? 1, 2, 3, 4 and dot 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 12, because there are total 12 classes. Now 3 sections per class. To find this, what we will do, we'll find out firstly the sum and then we'll multiply it with 3. So firstly, AP is this. Now sum, there are total 12 terms. A is 1, D. D is 1 because 2 minus 1 is 1. D is 1. N is 12. And last term is also 12. So when we solve this, Fn equal to n by 2 means 6 into first term and the last term 13. 6 into 13, 78. And now total trees will be 78 into 3 equal to total trees. 236. This will be our answer of total trees. What we did, we firstly found out sum of these terms 1 to 12. We got 78. Now what we did, we added 236. We multiplied it with 3. Then we got 236 as our final answer. Means there will be 236 number of total trees planted. Now here in our next question, spiral is given. Length of a spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircles with radii 5, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and hence the difference is clear, which is 0.5 centimeters. And centers altering at A and B. We have to find out total length, 13 consecutive spirals. Total length of 13 consecutive spirals. Okay, so to find out total length, you can see this is a semicircle. This is a semicircle, then this, then this. It is getting bigger. Here 0.5, then 1, then 1.5. Means radii is increasing by each time. So we have got the difference as 0.5 and there are total number of spirals means n equal to 13. Now one spiral, what we say, this is the half circumference of a circle, means circumference of a semicircle. Circumference of a semicircle is pi r. This is the circumference of a semicircle, which is pi r. So firstly is 0.5 pi, then pi, then 1.5 pi, then 2 pi, and it is going on. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out total length of spiral. Means this plus this plus this plus this, adding this 13 consecutive terms. So we get Sn equals to n by 2 means 13 by 2 bracket 2 into A. A is 0.5 pi or you can say pi by 2. 2 to cancel plus n minus 1 into D. N means 13. 13 minus 1, 12 into D. D is, find out here. We won't consider this one because this is difference in radii. But we have to find out difference in the AP or you can say the circumferences. So difference will be pi minus 0.5 pi. Pi minus 0.5 pi is pi by 2. Again cancel and this will be 6. So 13 by 2 bracket pi plus 6 pi means 6 pi plus pi is 7 pi. 13 into 7, 91 pi by 2. Or instead of just solving this, here it is given that take pi equal to 22 by 7. So we'll take it. 13 by 2 into 7 into 22 upon 7. 7, 7 cancel. 2, 11. So our answer will be 143 centimeters. The length of spiral will be 143 centimeters. I hope this is clear. Now we'll come to our next question. Here, this question comes many times in several exams. So this is an important question. See here, it is given 200 logs are stacked in this way. Here, these are 20 logs, then 19, then 18, and similarly we have to continue. In the bottom row are 20, then 19, in the next 18, in the next, and so on. In how many rows are 200 logs placed? See, if in the first row we have to find out n, so a will be 20, then difference is minus 1. 19 minus 20 will be minus. How we'll stack them? 20, 19, 18, then continue. Okay, so d will be minus 1, second term minus first term. Okay, now we have to find out n. Sn is given. Sum of n terms is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to solve this. Sn is given to us, which is 200, equal to n. N is not known to us because we have to find it. 2 into a means 40 plus n minus 1 into d. Or you can say n into d minus d. Minus d means minus 1. So here plus n minus 1 into minus 1. This will be in bracket. Let's solve it this side. Here n by 2 will remain as it is. We'll send to that side. 400 equal to n into 40 plus 2 minus n. When we multiply this, so it will be plus 1 minus n. Okay, 400 equals to n square minus n square plus n plus 41n minus 400, because when we will send it this side, so n square will be plus 4n, this will become negative, and then plus 400 equal to 0. Now we have to divide it in two parts such that when we add them we get 4n, and when we subtract them, when we multiply them, we get 400 n square. Okay, so the two parts will be n square minus 41n which will be 16n minus 25n plus 400 equal to 0. Now we will add a page or just go back. So here, when we solve this, n minus 16 into n minus 25 equal to 0. Now we have got two values of n. Let's erase this one. We have got two values of n. Firstly, n equal to 16, n equal to 25. Now we cannot reject any one of them without solving. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is given 16 equal to a. A was 20 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 1. So 16 minus 20 is minus 4 equals to minus n plus 1. 5 equal to, wait, this 5 is weird. So 5 equal to n equal to 5. This is our answer. And then there is also a second value of n, which is 25. So we'll solve it. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which will be 25 equal to 20 plus n minus 1 into d. Then 5 equal to minus n minus 1, I mean plus 1. This will come this side. 4 equal to minus n. So n equal to minus 4. This one is rejected because n cannot be negative. And here n equal to plus 5. Means, hence, there are 16 rows with last row. How many logs are there in top row? So top row, with top row containing 5 logs. Now, this is our last question of the video. Let's solve it. Here in a bucket is 5 meters from the first potato. So you can see 5, then 3 meter distance, 3 meter apart means a series, or you can say AP equal to 5, then 3 means 8, then 11, then 14. And they are continuing till how many? 10 potatoes, one by one. So A 10 equal to A plus 9D, 5 plus 9 3 the 27 means 32. So last will be 32. Now it is given, it goes first, it picks first one, then comes back. She goes to next one, picks it, comes back, then next one comes back, next one picks it, comes back, and this is continuing. Now you can see, firstly she covers 5 meters, then again covers 5 meters, then covers 8 meters, then again covers 8 meters. So this cycle is continuing. So what we will do, Sn, sum of n terms equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. T is continuing one, she is covering one distance twice. So we will multiply this whole with 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. N is 10. 10 into 2a. 2a. Now what is 2a? 2 into 5. 10 plus n minus 1. Again n is 10. So 9 into d. D is 3. 9 3 the 27. So our answer will be 37 into 10. Means total there are 370 potatoes. I mean 370 meters. Because find the total distance, so 370 meters have been run by the girl. I hope this is clear. And here our exercise 5.3 is over. And in the next video, the next exercise 5.3, it is an optional exercise, but still we will do, because it says that the exercise is not from exam point of view, but in the board questions there are maximum questions from that exercise only. I hope it is clear, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.